What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back for another video. So today we got a dirty one for you. So we're going over to a house that well, their daughter likes to keep their new puppy in her room. So we have some pee spots, to say the least, as well as, well, kind of a bunch of makeup from what it looks like in the picture. So this should be a really good one. Hopefully we get this room nice and clean for her, because she's kind of skeptical. I always love the skeptical ones because we love to prove them wrong. Should be pretty good. Before we get into today's video, if you guys aren't, please hit that subscribe button on our YouTube channel. We really appreciate it. We're trying to get to 100 subscribers. Throw this video a thumbs up, and let's get to it. All right, so in today's video, this is the room in question. So as you can see, we got some issues going on. A lot of doggy stains, possibly even some kitty stains, but that's what we got to deal with here. Also, all of this here is a bunch of makeup here, and over in this section here, we got a bunch of makeup here. So we're gonna pre-treat this for urine first, scrub it in. We've got to let it sit a while to try to deal with a lot of these issues over here. And I think this room's gonna turn out pretty good, but let's see what happens. All right, small update, guys. So we have treated this room just with the Sager side, done nothing else, no scrubbing, anything else. You can still see the stuff. They're still there, but they're definitely slowly fading just without doing anything. So we'll see what it looks like after we pre-treat and scrub it in. Alrighty, so we fluffed it up a little bit with the CRB, scrubbed it real nice. We've already pre-treated this as well, and I would say it doesn't really look half bad considering we haven't even cleaned it yet. So obviously the prep is very important when it comes to, you know, urine stains and makeup and, you know, whatever else may be, you know, lying on the carpet. Alright, let's got our hot water extraction on here. This needs to be flushed very well. Decent amount of product on this carpet, but I'll tell you what, it already looks like it's coming out really nice. That's hot right there. Oh yeah, steaming.
A few moments later.
Well, I think that turned out pretty well, if I do say so myself. Homeowner was very happy. So if you guys are having some pet stain issues, make sure to give us a call over here at, well, Steam Boss for your carpet tile and upholstery needs. That's gonna end today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button. And as usual, we will see you guys on the next video. Peace.